Changing paragraph alignment enhances the look of a document and helps to guide readers through the information more easily. In this lesson, we'll right-align a paragraph, we'll center a paragraph, and we'll justify a paragraph. In the flyer we're working on, all the text is aligned so it's flush with the left margin of the document. When we're finished, we're going to right-align the text at the top of the page, we're going to center the title, and we'll also justify some of the paragraphs so both the left and right edges are flush with the left and right margins. Let's get started. I'll replace the text in this first line with my name, and I'll also include today's date. Notice the date automatically pops up when I start typing it, so I'm going to just push enter to insert. By default, text in a document is left aligned, which means it is flush with the left margin and has a ragged edge on the right. As you can see, all our text is currently left aligned. And up here in the ruler, you can see exactly where the left margin is located. However, we want the name and date to be right aligned. Right align is simply aligned with the right hand margin. It's flush with the document's right margin. I'm going to select the text that I just typed. I'm going to go up to the paragraph group and I'll click the Align Text Right icon. The text moves to the right hand side of the page so it's aligned with the right margin. And again, you can see up here at the top, the right margin is shown on the ruler bar. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually place my insertion point between my name and the comma. I'll press delete to remove the comma. Then I'll press enter to move the date to a new paragraph. And this new paragraph is also right aligned because it uses the same text and paragraph formatting as the original paragraph. Now we want to center the two paragraphs that make up the title. When you center text, it's positioned evenly between the left and right margins. So I'll select both lines of the flyer's title, then I'll go back up to the paragraph group and I'll click the center button. And the paragraphs are now centered evenly between the margins. I'm going to actually scroll down a bit. Then I'll place my insertion point in heading. I'll click the center button again and it will actually center that heading. I'll place the insertion point in this italicized paragraph. In the paragraph group, I'm going to actually click on the Justified option. When you justify a paragraph, Word adjusts the spacing between words so that each line is flush with both margins. And as you can see, the text now lines up cleanly with the right margin and with the left margin. Here it's cleanly lined up, here it's cleanly lined up. We've decided that the Rajasthan Desert Safari heading should go back to being left aligned. So I'll click the heading, then I'm going to go to the paragraph group and click the Align Text Left option. The paragraph dialog box will open also if I click on the launcher button here. The paragraph dialog box opens. This provides another way to change paragraph alignment along with many other settings. I can change alignment, I can change indentation, I can change spacing, and other options as well. So I'm going to stay with left and I'm going to click cancel because I made no changes. What I want to do is save the changes I've made to my flyer. And if I want to learn more about formatting documents with themes, I'll check out my textbook on page Word 56.